tondu mathi manyo bangi guku gutikoro irabu guku riu mumaga na kuma rere magoka kurwirwo kwao micii koguo tikwega riu ko mwecimwa no amenya uria angika tondu ri ni itura riake na ni gwake mucii ngwicira na ni gwake ni aba iguru ria cukuru aba
na ni gukoretwo guku gatikano riu ni kuthuku ni undu wa njobi ciranyuo no itiranyuo guku itiraruko guku iraruko o murimo uri ungi andu magoka mari arebi magoka kurwa koguo ri ni undu uria ndingiuga ni undu wa njobi tecio ri mwecimwa witu tondu no itura riri ri ekirire ati kwembwe kugago na mbu yugiro meita tameri uguo yacoka yakira
itura riri tikoretwo ririega ni tondu kuna wei muingi wa mboni cia kabwa gandamia
la county ya Wajir Yusuf Hussein Tolofio uria worite na njira na kiriga mieri 6 mihituku kuonekana ari muoyo kurerikana aria mamunyitite migwate niyo maramutwarire nginyagia kwa mucii hwai waira mwena wa Isiri guku Nairobi mehumbikite mothiu mao.
We are happy. We are really excited actually to have him back.
Makiaria thutha wa kumucerera thibitari-ini umwe guku Nairobi kuria arathie na mbere na kwamukira urigitani, atongoria matiganite kuma gicigo-ini kia rugongo rwa bururi ni makumithitie ciiko cia unyitani migwate guku bururi-ini iria maugite ikoretwo ikiiga family na wagagu na kurwo ni thayo.
The Honorable Yusuf is admitted. He's going through a serious medical checkup. We hope and pray that he will recover. But I want to ask the leadership of the Republic of Kenya, in this modern day Kenya, whether it is criminal elements, whether it is state agencies, whether it is other groups, abductions in whatever form or illegal confinement has no place in our country.
Very malnourished, and we believe that the kind of the medication is taken at the hospital. We believe and we pray that he will be okay.
We hope and pray that he is back in his holistic self.
Na mwiroreri hau ni otugwikirira gaturumo mohoro maitu maitha riri ngatho cia mwanya ni undu wa unyitaniri waku njitagwo Njoroge wa Kimani mwathiri na njira ciiko mwaga kiwa muthoni cemanie thaa 3 thiini wa mutamburuko wa mohoro.